If your results are falling flat, you're missing out on OLSP funnels. Let's turn that around. Solo ads are a game changer for affiliate marketers. But here's the twist. You'll supercharge them with OLSP funnels. First, pick a top-notch solo ad vendor in your niche. Quality matters. Next, craft an irresistible headline and message. Don't forget an optimized landing page. Now, instead of the usual grind, plug into OLSP. This system guides your traffic through a finely tuned funnel. More engagement, more sales, less hassle. OLSP does the heavy lifting, turning clicks into cash. It's like having your own marketing genius on autopilot. So, combine solo ads with OLSP funnels and watch your results explode. Tried it? Drop your experience in the comments. Stay tuned for more tips, and thanks for watching.